Hello world, this is Spray Time checking in. Spray Time in Tallahassee, Florida. You can check us out on our website, spraytimearnc.com, or you can Google Spray Time in Tallahassee, Florida, and you will see our website and our Facebook. But anyway, I just wanted to check in with y'all and show y'all what we got going on. 1973 Plymouth Duster. We got our pieces. Fenders, trunk lid, doors. Just want to show y'all the results of blocking and priming, blocking and priming, blocking and priming, and blocking and priming. Again, straight panel process. It's the only way to get a straight panel. There are no waves. I know the camera not doing this pretty much any justice, but there are no waves in this. Body work is superb. Minimum orange peel, that's what we're going for. All black. This is the trunk lid. This is our first clear. We're going for a double clear, which is we're going to wet sand and clear again. There are some people for it, and there are some people against it. But either way, double clearing looks very nice, so I'm all for it. But this is the fender. Again, you can see minimum orange peel, and it's gloss all over, no dry spots, minimum orange peel again. Anyway, we'll keep posting videos as we go along with the project. When the vehicle gets here, we'll post another video of that. If you need anything, you always can give us a call at 850-999-6198. Again, that's 850-999-6198. We'll be happy to help. And keep up with us. On our Facebook, we're always posting new pictures, new videos, and keep checking us out.